Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And another nice day today, so definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that is where $2.35 now comes into play as the ideal level of support. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Definitely if the price can stay above the 235-ish mark. However, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below there, I'm not saying that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, that would be great if the price could stay above it. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Yeah, staying above 235-ish would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as the levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on 246. That's where it struggled today. But overall, who cares about resistance levels? Why do I say that? Well, I say that because they just don't matter. Why do I say they don't matter? Well, as long as the chart keeps on doing what it's been doing, this is what matters right here. I think I've done this in past videos, but this is what it's all about. If you want to envision those as higher lows, if you want to envision these as stair steps, as long as from the big picture the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away with higher bases, and then just sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.